Welcome back. And in this episode of Things You Didn't Know About the Vehicle You Drive Every Day, we have a special host, Tyler Rodriguez. And the reason he's the host is we have his personal 2025 Subaru Outback here to demonstrate a few tips. Well, without further ado, let's get after it.
Oh, that was weird. Anyways, let's go. One cool but simple feature that I like about my 2025 Subaru Outback is the locking gas cap. So when you hit the lock button, it's going to lock your gas cap so you can't open it up. Once you hit that unlock button, just push on it and it'll open right up for you. Really simple, but it'll prevent people from ruining your day by siphoning off your gas. Now on to the next feature. Now here's a feature I actually used this morning. Here in Boise, Idaho, it's snowy, it's slushy, it can get nasty on the roads, which can dirty up your backup camera. Now on your rear wiper, this arm right here, you can actually turn it down to wash your back window, but it'll also run water over your backup camera as well. Here's what that looks like. Now here's what that looks like on the backup camera. Now here's what that looks like from outside. It's a neat feature that I think is overlooked, but it's something that I can do from the comfort of my car without having to jump out in the snow to clear up my backup camera. This next feature I'm going to go over is your wireless Apple CarPlay. So if you've got an iPhone like myself, you can connect wirelessly to the CarPlay and use things like your maps, your music, and connect wirelessly for your phone calls.
Wow!
So to set it up, you're going to use this little car phone settings button right here. Hit that first, then you'll hit add device.
Bro, you need to clean your screen. All right, sorry. Go on.
Then on your phone settings, you'll go to Bluetooth. You'll hit Bluetooth, scroll down to the bottom, and it's going to pop up Outback down here. Click on that. Make sure the pins match up, which they should. Hit pair on your phone. You can sync your contacts to your device as well. Connect on CarPlay on your phone. And yes for Apple CarPlay. I'll set this as my favorite device. And your wireless Apple CarPlay is up. Now you've got your map up top, your music down on the right, and you can go into your text messages, phone calls, and everything. You can even hit this bottom little grid looking button right here. It'll bring you to all the maps or all the apps
home
that
screen.
you've got. Yeah,
Yeah, it looks exactly like my phone.
exactly. Hit that one more time, and it'll bring you right back here.
All right, last but not least, what is your favorite thing about your new Outback? Because you've only owned this for like, what, 2 months?
Yeah, just about 2 months.
Okay.
So outside of the turbo, because I mean it's just fun, my favorite thing is the StarTex material on these seats here. So this is unique to the Onyx and the Onyx XT trim levels. Not only is it a little bit more durable and easier to clean, but it's also, in my opinion, the most comfortable seats we have to offer as well.
All right.
Now guys, if you found this video helpful at all, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any other additional questions, comment down below, or feel free to stop by anytime here at Larry Miller Subaru in Boise. Have a great day.